Hello, today I'll be sharing with you how I use coffee for hair. We have different ways of using coffee for hair. You can use coffee to rinse your hair. You can use coffee as a hair mask by mixing with your favorite hair oil or mixing it with yogurt like the one I do here. Mine, I usually mix it with yogurt. And then you can also use coffee as a hair dye just to give a little bit of color to your hair. And also lastly but not least, you can use coffee as a leave-in conditioner to your hair. So with this mixture of mine, I should go ahead and starting from the back side of my head to avoid the mess. And usually I do make sure that it's going to the scalp because it goes at scrubbing the scalp and making sure that all the dots are removed from the scalp. And also it helps to keep the scalp free from dandruff. So I just do like that, and where I feel like I need to use the brush, I use the brush. I usually use the hand because it is easier to apply with the hand and even time saving. I think for me, if you're applying by yourself, it is easier with the hand. The benefits of using coffee hair mask is that it helps to stimulate the roots of the hair, thus promoting hair growth. It adds luster to the hair strands. It makes the hair more manageable. It helps to exfoliate the scalp, as I had said before, and helps to enhance natural hair color of the hair.